If you want to find verified business emails without paying for expensive sales tools, this video will show you exactly how to use Prospeo step by step. By the end of this video, you will know what Prospeo is, how to use it to find B2B emails, and how people actually use it for lead generation and outreach, even if you're brand new. Now, what is Prospeo? Prospeo is a B2B lead generation tool focused on one core thing: finding and verifying professional email addresses. Prospeo helps you find business emails from names and domains, and also discover email patterns for companies, verify emails before outreach, build clean lead lists for cold email, and Prospeo is intentionally simple. It doesn't try to do everything. It focuses on email accuracy and ease of use. Now, who should use Prospeo? Prospeo is ideal for you if you're a freelancer doing cold email, or an agency building B2B lead lists, or founders emailing prospects, or even recruiters, and beginners who want a simple alternative to complex platforms. If your goal is finding verified emails first, Prospeo is a great fit. I've included a link in the pinned comment and description which you can use to sign up for completely free. Now let's dive in. Once you're signed up to Prospeo, you will be redirected to a dashboard just like this. And the first feature we'll be talking about is their email finder, as this is Prospeo's main feature. All you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner. From there you can tap on people, and you're going to tap right where you see person, name, and you'll be able to enter the first name and last name. You can also tap on company, and if it's the case that you'd like to search by company domain, you can do that. So for example, let's say I would like to search for this particular company right here. All I would need to do is simply copy the domain name. So I'll copy the domain name right here. Then I'll go back into Prospeo and I'll simply paste the domain name. Once you have pasted the domain name, you can see it comes up. Once you have tapped on it, you can see right there. Then you can choose whether you would like to contact the co-founder or software engineer or so on, as it generates the most likely email address and verifies it automatically. It also shows a confidence score. If you were to scroll across, you'll see a confidence score also, as you can see right there. So this is perfect when you already know who you want to contact, where they work. No guessing, no manual research. Another feature that they also offer is the domain search option. For the domain search option, just like what I showed you a while ago, all you need to do is enter a company website, and from there you'll see email addresses linked to that domain better, and you'll be able to discover the company's email pattern. For example, first name at company, as you can see right here if we were to scroll across, and you can also choose to add it to a particular list. Even if the exact contact isn't listed, knowing the pattern helps you predict emails accuracy. Another thing that I also want to talk about when it comes onto Prospeo, they offer an email verification option. Prospeo includes a built-in email verifier which checks if the email exists, if the domain can receive mail, and if it's safe to send. This helps you to reduce bounce rate, protect your email reputation, and also improve deliverability, as you'll always verify before sending cold emails. And with Prospeo, it is quite easy to build a list. All you need to do is tap on add list right here. So you can save contacts, organize leads into lists, and also export emails as CSV file. You can then upload those lists into cold email tools, CRMs, or outreach platforms. Prospeo often acts as the lead sourcing layer, and you'll go over to the left-hand menu, and from there you'll be able to see your lists. The next feature I want to talk about when it comes onto Prospeo is their simple dashboard and UX, as this is one of their main strengths. As you can see, it offers a clean interface, beginner-friendly layout, and also minimal learning curve. There's no complicated setup. You can start finding emails in minutes. This is especially helpful if you are new to B2B outreach. Now, how do people actually use Prospeo? The first use case I'll talk about is cold email outreach, as you'll be able to find decision makers' email, verify them, and upload into sending tools. The second use case is freelancers and agencies use it to build niche-specific lead lists, contact business owners, and pitch services directly. So use Prospeo for recruitment, as you'll be able to find professional emails, reach hiring managers, and avoid generic contact forms. Prospeo fits best into simple, focused workflow. And also when it comes onto Prospeo, if we were to check out their pricing option right here, so let's go onto their pricing page. While you can get started for completely free, their monthly plan begins at $49, and you can see that it can go up to $249, as you can see right here. I'll be leaving a link in the description which you can use to sign up. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this review and tutorial helpful and informative.